Let me take you on a journey through our education system, a system that's been around for over a century, largely unchanged since the Industrial Revolution. You know, it's fascinating how we're still sitting in rows divided by age groups, following standardized curricula, just like our great-grandparents did. But here's the thing. While we're teaching the same way we did in 1923, the world outside those classroom walls has transformed beyond recognition. We're preparing students for jobs that don't even exist yet, using methods from an era when factory workers were the end goal. Think about this. When was the last time you used algebra in your daily life? Yet these are the things we still prioritize over financial literacy, emotional intelligence, or digital skills. It's like we're teaching kids to ride horses when they need to learn how to fly spaceships. But here's where it gets interesting. The system isn't completely broken. It's more like an old house that needs serious renovation. Some parts of the foundation are still solid. The problem is we're trying to power a smart home with outdated wiring. I've seen incredible teachers working magic within these constraints. They're like modern artists working with ancient tools. They inspire, innovate, and adapt, showing us that it's not the system that educates, it's the people within it. So is traditional education broken beyond repair? I'd say no, but it desperately needs reimagining. We don't need to demolish the whole structure. We need to retrofit it for the future. We need to keep what works, the social interaction, the mentor-student relationships, the joy of discovery. But we must let go of the rigid, one-size-fits-all approach that treats students like products on an assembly line. The future of education isn't about choosing between traditional and modern. It's about building bridges between them. Imagine classrooms where technology enhances human connection rather than replacing it, where students learn not just facts, but how to think, adapt, and create. The question isn't whether traditional education is broken beyond repair. It's whether we have the courage to evolve it into something that truly serves today's learners. Because in the end, education isn't just about passing tests. It's about preparing people for life in a world that's changing faster than ever before.